All right, in this video, we're going to be checking out this Messy Kids stain remover from the brand Active. I want to thank them for sending these out to us. This is a 4-ounce spray, and this can be used to treat food, drinks, grass, mud, ink, and more. It can be used on clothes, carpet, upholstery, and more. So the way that this works is you're going to, it says, clean any excess mess from the surface with a cloth, spray stain directly, and then wait 3 to 5 minutes. Gently blot the stain using a clean, absorbent cloth. Rinse the treated area with cold water, and then launder the item if appropriate. So, really cool. It's free from bleach. There's no phosphates. There's no dyes. There's no perfumes. Multi-surface, fast and effective, and safe for fabric. So, if you're looking for something you can keep with you when you're traveling, just everyday use. If you want to carry this in your purse or in your bag, bring it with you. If your kid spills something, gets a stain on themselves, you could spray this on there to give it a treatment, and then obviously take care of that in the washing when you get home. But again, can be used on couches, on furniture, any different type of fabric. So if you're looking for an awesome stain remover, Active makes some great products, and I've been very impressed with everything that I've got from them so far. Again, want to thank them for sending this out to us. We're definitely going to check this out. But if you're looking for a great stain remover, spot and stain remover, definitely check this one out. It's called Messy Kids Stain Remover by Active.